Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this video we will be exploring what are Tkinter menus. Menus are normally the options that we see in the top of software such as file, menu bar and the options that we can simply choose. So in this video we will be exploring how we can create such menu option or the heading of any website or software. For that let's move to our destination folder. So this is the destination folder as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the folder has opened in VS Code. Now let's open the file. So this is the file and today is day 26 and title of this video is menu. After that importing the Tkinter package that we already do. After that define a function named file new. So this file new function will simply print the contents which is file greater than new. In this function we can do anything what we want, but I have just written here file new to show that the function is called. Now these three lines are very similar and I hope there is no need of explanation for these three lines. Now let's move ahead. The next is creating a menu. So menu is created using this menu method of Tkinter package and we have to add this in the main window. After that windows.config menu equal to menu. This line is written to configure menus with the Tkinter window so that we can interact with these menus. After that let's add some contents in the menu. So the variable is file menu and tk.menu, which is this, passing here the menu and tier of equal to 0. The reason I have written here tier of equal to 0 so that the menu will be get connected to the top of the screen, which is the actual place of that menu. After that menu.add cascade method, and in that add cascade I have written as file menu equal to file menu. I will explain you this add cascade method after showing you the output. After that the next is file menu.add command, label equal to new and command is file new. After that add separator. So this separator is simply used to add a line that I will show you when I will show the output. After that last is file menu.add command, label equal to exit, and command is windows or destroy. So this will simply kill the Tkinter window. And last is windows.main loop. So this was a basic explanation. I know you don't have understood these 3-4 lines, but I will explain you this line after showing the output. So let's run the program to show the output. So this is a simple output of the screen. After that I will just make the code here and see. So this is the file. So add cascade method has added this file option here and it is a root node of the menu. So as soon as I click here, the other two options will be get visible to me, which is new and exit. So new means it will simply call a file new function, and what is inside this file new function, file equal to new, it will get printed. So when I will click here new, then the file new is get printed as you can see. And the next line is the add separator. So as you can see this is a horizontal line, so this is the separator of these two options. So this is the use of this add separator. You can use this add separator functions multiple times. After that the last is exit function. So this will simply destroy this Tkinter window. So as soon as I click here, the Tkinter window is destroyed as you can see. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries while running this code or have any questions in your mind, then you can simply message me on Instagram or comment section below. Also, this is simple introduction to Tkinter menus. You can explore more about menus by referring to the Tkinter documentation. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.